If you're not willing to carry around a heavy SLR or mirrorless camera, but still want something better than a smartphone, a compact model might be the way to go. A great compact camera should have a relatively large sensor, be small enough to carry anywhere, and allow you to capture images that would be impossible to replicate with a smartphone. We present to you the top 5 best point-and-shoot cameras in 2024. Let's go! If you're searching for a top-notch point-and-shoot camera that offers excellent value for your money, look no further than the Ricoh GR III. Widely regarded as the best value point-and-shoot camera in 2024, this compact powerhouse is designed to impress. The Ricoh GR III stands out with its impressive zoom capabilities, allowing you to have detailed shots that other cameras might miss. Its compact size means you'll always have it on hand, ready to snap photos at a moment's notice. It's perfect for those who never leave home without a camera. Carrying the GR3 is like holding a pack of cigarettes or a mobile phone, but with much more power thanks to its 24 megapixels and image stabilization. One of the GR3's significant advantages is its discreetness. Unlike bulky cameras that draw attention, the GR3 lets you blend into the background, boosting your confidence to take candid shots. The camera powers up instantly, making it ideal for spontaneous street photography, and its fast, accurate focus ensures you never miss a moment. The GR3 boasts a premium build with a metal, compact, and functional design. Its stabilizer lets you shoot at slow shutter speeds, like 1/20th of a second, without raising the ISO too high or closing the aperture. Although it lacks an eye detector, the face detection feature works reliably, and the color reproduction is excellent. While the video capabilities are adequate for creative projects, don't expect to film professional-level events. Snap focus works well unless there's too much movement. The battery life is decent, but carrying an extra one or two is advisable for extended shoots. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Introducing the Sony ZV-1, our pick for the best vlogging point-and-shoot camera in 2024. Designed specifically for video creators, the Sony ZV-1 is perfect for both beginners and experienced vloggers thanks to its compact and lightweight build. One of the standout features is the flip-up screen, which makes it easy to frame yourself while recording. It also comes with an integrated microphone and windshield, ensuring clear audio even in windy conditions. The dedicated record button and background blur mode help create professional-looking videos without any hassle. The Sony ZV-1 can capture 4K videos at up to 30 FPS and full HD videos at up to 120 FPS. For those wanting high dynamic range videos, it supports the HLG hybrid log gamma profile. The camera boasts a 20.1 MP sensor paired with a 24-70mm equivalent lens featuring a bright f/1.8 2.8 aperture, ideal for various lighting conditions. Autofocus is both fast and reliable, with 315 phase detection points and real-time eye and face tracking. This ensures that your focus stays locked on your subject even if they're moving. The optical image stabilization further reduces camera shake, resulting in smooth and steady footage. The ZV-1 is user-friendly, featuring a simple menu system and intuitive controls. The customizable C1 button lets you quickly switch between photo and video modes, adjust exposure settings, or activate the background blur mode. The multi-interface shoe allows for external accessories like microphones or lights, adding to its versatility. While the Sony ZV-1 isn't perfect, with a short battery life of around 260 shots or 45 minutes of video recording and a limited zoom range, these drawbacks are minor compared to its numerous benefits. The stacked Exmor RS CMOS image sensor with a DRAM chip and a 24-70 f/1.8 2.8 Zeiss Vario lens delivers stunning effects, making your subject stand out brilliantly. Good stuff, guys! Next up on our review list is the Panasonic Lumix LX100 II, our top pick for the best hybrid point-and-shoot camera in 2024. Many compact cameras with sensors larger than 1 inch come with fixed focal length lenses, which can limit flexibility despite offering great image quality. The Panasonic LX100 II, however, breaks this mold by combining a 17 MP sensor with a versatile 24-75mm zoom lens in 35mm term. This combination of quality and flexibility is why the LX100 II stands out. It features an agile autofocus system, a robust body, sharp 4K video recording, and a useful electronic viewfinder, making it a well-rounded choice for photographers. While its aesthetics might not be groundbreaking, The controls, ergonomics, and operations of the dials are highly intuitive. The LX100 II's electronic viewfinder has seen significant improvements over its predecessor, providing a clear and precise view of your subjects. With a 12.8 MP sensor, you get excellent image quality, and the camera's ability to shoot 4K videos ensures high-resolution footage with vibrant colors and fine details. The viewfinder uses an OLED screen, delivering outstanding image clarity. One of the noteworthy features of the LX100 II is its intuitive focus control system, which allows for real-time graphic display of different focus areas. This gives photographers precise control over their shots, ensuring great sharpness. Additionally, it supports shooting in RAW format, preserving the maximum amount of detail and allowing for extensive post-processing. With built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your photos on social media is quick and easy. You can upload your pictures directly from the camera without needing to transfer them to a computer first. The 4K video recording capability adds more light, detail, and color to your videos, making them truly impressive. In summary, the Panasonic Lumix LX100 II offers a perfect blend of quality, flexibility, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both casual and serious photographers. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now, let's dive into the Sony RX-VII, which we consider the best runner-up point-and-shoot camera available in 2024. Sony's extensive experience and dedication to the compact camera market have made them a leading manufacturer, and the RX100 VII is one of their standout models. The RX100 VII is designed for advanced users. It features image stabilization, professional video capabilities, and an impressive 24 by 200mm zoom lens. With silent recording, 20 FPS burst shooting with tracking focus, and 425 AF points, this camera is built for performance. Additionally, it boasts a 20-megapixel resolution and a 3-inch 180-degree foldable LCD screen, perfect for vlogging. You can also capture stunning 4K videos, and with Wi-Fi and NFC capabilities, sharing your photos and videos is a breeze. Sony has kept the reliable 20MP 1-inch sensor found in its predecessors and paired it with an 8x zoom lens, offering an equivalent focal length of 24 by 200mm and an aperture range of f/2.8 to f/4. These features place the RX100 VII on par with some DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, proving that great things come in small packages. One of the most remarkable features is the camera's ability to shoot at 90 frames per second in single burst shooting mode. This is unmatched by any other camera on our list. Standard continuous shooting reaches 20 FPS, slightly lower than its predecessor, but now without blackouts, allowing you to track moving subjects seamlessly. The autofocus system is top-notch, locking focus in just 0.02 seconds. Sony's real-time tracking uses AI to recognize and follow subjects, while real-time IAF ensures pinpoint focus on human and animal eyes. For video enthusiasts, the RX100 VII offers 4K recording at 30 FPS with numerous custom settings, making it suitable even for professional use. Nice one. Finally, let's introduce the Fujifilm X100VI, our top pick for the best overall point-and-shoot camera on the market in 2024. The Fujifilm X100 series is known for its robust and influential line of large sensor compact cameras with prime lenses, and the X100VI continues this tradition. This camera excels in both looks and performance, meeting and exceeding regular users' expectations. It offers a wide range of film simulation modes, allowing for various creative styles without needing post-processing. This series has always been about strong design, refined over time with each model. Fujifilm has listened to user feedback, consistently providing significant firmware updates and hardware improvements. At first glance, the X100VI appears similar to its predecessor, but it includes key upgrades. It retains the 23mm f/2 lens and the hybrid viewfinder that combines optical and digital views. One new addition is the Reala Ace Film Simulation mode, expanding your creative options. The X100VI boasts a new sensor, the same 40-megapixel 5th generation X-Trans CMOS found in the X-T5 and the X-H2. Accompanied by an advanced image processor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality and numerous features found in its larger counterparts. The high megapixel count allows for detailed photos and the flexibility to crop or reframe shots, which is particularly useful with a fixed focal length lens. Fujifilm assures that using focus converters for wide-angle or telephoto shots doesn't compromise image quality, maintaining those 40 million pixels perfectly. A standout feature of the X100VI is its 5-axis image stabilizer, a first in this series. This stabilizer promises up to 6 stops of improved stability, enhancing your shooting experience. The central shutter design minimizes vibration, ensuring sharp images even at slow shutter speeds. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.